Every day, billions of people are consuming videos. Some are producing, some are consuming. Guess who's making the money? Producers make money. Consumers spend money. You have to decide if you're going to be a consumer or a producer in 2025 and beyond. And I made that decision that I'm not going to sit there consuming everyone else's content because I don't have the guts or the courage to put my own out there. And there's so many people that want to put content on the internet, but they keep making this one mistake. They have a bad case of I-itis. I don't like the way I look on video.
I don't like the way I sound on video.
I need to lose some weight.
I don't know if people gonna like me. I.
Bad case of I-itis. You need to get over your sweet little self and start making the content and the impact that God has called you to make, because there has never been a time in human history when you can turn on your phone, don't even have to get a camera, don't have to buy TV airtime. You can get on camera, be yourself, share your truth, make impact, and make money. We have never been in a time like this. It's almost unbelievable that we can even do this. Somebody that doesn't know me is listening to me for the first time right now because I made it not about me. This is not a popularity contest. See, I don't need everybody to like me. These videos are not to get people to like me. I need to get that from somewhere else. The videos that I produce are because, number one, man, I have been through so much hell in my life. I said, look, if I can get somebody else through theirs, then I'm going to share my truth. I am a former drug addict, a former idiot, a former party animal, a former dope dealer. I mean, I royally jacked up my life. But God came and picked me up and put it back together. And here I am. See, the stuff you've gone through in your life, your stories, your struggles, can you get out of the way and can you share your struggles and things you've overcome and are overcoming with somebody else? So that's the day we're living in. See, the stage when I started speaking was a literal stage. This is now the new stage. And man, if you can master this stage right here, you can write your own ticket. You don't have to wait for an event. You can get up tomorrow morning and shoot a video and post it for free. It's ridiculous. So this is the new stage. This is where all the action is. And this is where you belong. And I said all of that because we're a couple of months away from the Champion Speaker Bootcamp 2025. 7 ways to grow your speaking or coaching business. And I don't know a lot about a whole lot. I know entrepreneurship because I've been an entrepreneur all my life. I know public speaking because that's the thing I love. I speak 3 languages, by the way: English, tongues, and the language of impact. And if you don't know what the language of impact is, you better learn it, because we are in a day where people's attention span has dwindled down to nothing. People can't stay focused very long without getting distracted. So the language of impact is a language that cuts through all that noise and gets people's attention and keeps it. And if you want to learn that, I'm going to be teaching it at the Champion Speaker Bootcamp, the language of impact. And I think it needs to be taught because the stakes are higher than ever before, and the moment is briefer than ever before. And how do you speak into that environment and make impact and income? Let me give you a little piece of it right now. Most people speak in abstract language. Most entrepreneurs, if you ask them, what do you do? By the time they finish telling you what they do in their business, you still don't know what they do. I'm a life coach. What does that mean? And then there's the 22-year-old life coach. That one always trips me out. But how you communicate about your business. You used to have 15 seconds. You've heard of the 15-second elevator speech? You don't have 15 seconds anymore. People can't even listen for 15 seconds. So part of the language of impact is moving away from abstract language to concrete language. Speaking in abstract language leaves people wondering what you even said. Get it real and seal the deal. So I'm going to be teaching that. I'm going to be helping people to become authentic on camera and on stage. You come to the Champion Speaker Bootcamp and hear the transparency in the stories that will be told and how people will bare their soul and how they are still crushing it in life. It's going to help you to know that no matter what jacked up state you think you're in or how unqualified you are, if there is somebody out there that will relate to you. People are not looking for polished speakers. People are not looking for orators. People are looking for naked authenticity. People are looking for somebody real that they can relate to. So when I first started doing videos on camera, it was the worst thing. I hated every video I did. But you know why I kept doing them? I said, this is a required skill. It's something that I'm going to need to learn to do because it's going to be important one day. So I started many, many years ago, and I did those jacked up videos where I didn't sound like myself. I wasn't connecting, but I kept doing it until I finally could. So now when I look in that camera, I know I'm talking to you. So if you haven't registered for the boot camp, I want to encourage you to do whatever it takes. Here, there's a list of stuff on the screen. I'll put it right there. Some of the things we're going to be teaching: how to create your signature talk, the importance of your signature story, how to create impact videos, how to create content. People have called me the king of content creation. I love it. I do. I have thousands and thousands of pieces of content. Too much content. I got to figure out ways to get it out quicker. But there's a list of things. We're going to teach you how to grow your speaking and coaching business. So the information is right there on the screen. March 28th, 29th, 2025, right here in the DMV. That does not stand for the Department of Motor Vehicles. People will be coming from different parts of the country. I hope to see you there. So register now. Take advantage of the early bird 2-for-1 special. This is ridiculous what we're actually offering this conference for. Within the first hour or two, you will see that you've already gotten your money's worth. As a matter of fact, you may be the first one to make money. Somebody will make money in the first hour of this seminar. We have a special thing that we do, and I hope that you're the one. So sign up for the boot camp, and we look forward to seeing you at this extraordinary event. Get ready for your big stage.